Namaste everyone. Welcome to Visa Tech Labs. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can use the Fably to demonstrate the process of generating and sending certificate for the user who purchased the Bitcoin through your decentralized app. We will integrate with Web3 and Google Sites and the Google Drive and WordPress also. Like whenever the user purchase the Bitcoin, the purchase details will be triggered, send it to the Fably. The webhook will capture important information like transaction amount, the user ID, and the purchase time. And now we are in the Pably. You need to select the action, the triggering event. Like I have selected here webhook option. After that, you need to take this webhook URL and paste it in your database. The data will be captured like this. You can check it here. And after that, based on this response, next, I am doing the format the data of the purchase into the clean, easy to read format. We will convert this data into YYMMDD like year, month, date. Uh, this ensures the proper structure for our certification process. After that, we need to create the unique ID for each user. It will tie to the user's transaction and the certification details. I'm adding the action event here, run JavaScript. In the code, I write to generate the unique code. You can check it. It will generate like this. After that, I am added the counter to add that counter to the whenever the user triggers that increment will be added to the user certification that we will add in the next steps. After that, I will create the Google slide template to create the certification. This design will be placed in the already in the Google sites in your account. In that, I will put the placeholders. In that placeholders only, the data will be false, and after that, it will generate the certificate with the presentation ID. After that, I am getting that presentation ID from in this step. I'm getting same presentation mapping from the above step, and I'm getting those details. After that, the presentation will be there shared with you only. I want uh, to give the access to the user to see that details. For that, I am taking the Google Drive action step, and in that I am share a file with anyone. I am passing this user ID and giving the actions. After that, I generated the PDF URLs and the web link URLs. User can easily check it. These details I am passing in the mail to send to check the user can see the detail about the certificates with this in the format. The details will be mailed to the user. After that, the issue date will be generated. These dates are mapping in your website. I'm adding these details to your website when the user can easily check and download it. It can be done by creating the dynamic web pages. This fetches certificate from the Google Drive and simply provided the download link. Integrating with Google Drive with your website, user can view or download the certificate directly from your dedicated page. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Visa Tech Labs. You will get more videos about the automations and RPA videos also in future. Thank you.